In this theory we have an Eastern holistic universe formed by a single universal process that can be explained by a Western perspective as a linear process, with an emergent future continuously unfolding based on the laws of physics and maths. We have an interactive process with the maths of quantum mechanics representing the physics of time as a physical process. The uncertainty of everyday life is represented at the smallest scale of this process by the probability of quantum mechanics, with classical physics representing processes over a period of time, as in Newton's differential equations. These processes will be relative to the atoms of the periodic table. Because you and me, like everything else, are made of atoms, the future will be relative to the energy and momentum of our actions. In this theory, the spontaneous absorption and emission of light photon energy forms this process of energy exchange or continuous creation. The wave-particle duality of light and matter in the form of electrons are acting like the bits or zeros and ones of a computer. This forms the blank canvas for life to form its own future relative to its position and the energy and momentum of its own actions. This process is unfolding within an infinite number of reference frames that are continuously coming in and out of existence. We have an arrow of time for each object or life form within their frame of reference, with a future coming into existence with each new photon-electron coupling or dipole moment. At the most fundamental level, this process can be represented geometrically as a process of spherical symmetry forming and breaking. Only a process of symmetry forming and breaking can form statistical entropy or disorganization, and also the possibility for ever greater symmetry formation, as we see in imperfect symmetry of cell life. Because the light photon of quantum mechanics is also the carrier of the electrical magnetic force with the movement of charge and continuous flow of electromagnetic fields, this theory can explain consciousness, our thought processes in the form of electrical activity within the brain, as the most advanced part of this universal process. Therefore, we can comprehend this process from the center of our own reference frame as time, with a past and an uncertain future that only exists as a probability wave function. The flow of time as a process of continuous energy exchange, and our consciousness as a stream of unbroken, ever-changing flow of ideas, feelings, dreams, hopes, perceptions and emotions are interlinked. In this theory, each individual is at the forefront of creation in the moment of now, within the center of their own reference frame, being able to look back in time in all directions at the beauty of the stars. The universe is a continuum with a unity and oneness that can only be formed out of one universal process that forms the potential infinity of possibilities, with creation in the hand and eye of the beholder. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe and rate. It will help the promotion of this theory.